Hi there, it's Simon here. I hope you are well. Today I wanted to look at an arrangement I put together for a student of mine of Dancing in the Dark by Bruce Springsteen. I will see you in a second. Alright, now in the original song it effectively goes from the major chord, A major, to F sharp minor. I'm not even sure what key it's in. It might be actually in B, which means it goes that kind of thing, right? But what we're going to do so that we can play kind of the melody and everything all at the same time, and generally it'd be smarty pants, we're going to do, so I'm pedaling on A. And what we're going to do is we're going to catch the melody as we run through. So you get open the B, then put the C sharp on. So you're going to get and then open B, C sharp, open B, A. So you basically get this. Okay, so that is riff 1. That takes us halfway through the verse, right? Now, so, and then feeling the same way. So we can catch an open E there. And then we're going to switch to a D chord. See? Then we do the same thing there. We're going to get this time we're hitting a D and the G strings, which is an A note, so we're getting 1 5 1 5 in terms of the chord, yeah. So then at the end, yeah, you see what I'm this, and then we go back to A. Same things we had before. Okay, so that section is exactly the same like we had before. And then up and down. And then we're going to go to E pre-chorus. And here we're just going to hit sus4, so you're going to go E. So that is a little sus4 there. Little finger on 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then we're going to go to a D, but this time we're going to be playing a B note in there. So it's probably best to actually play the chord like this with 2 and 2. You can go, yeah, so you can get, yeah, see what I mean? Then Dancing in the Dark. And then back into the, cool, huh? All right. Okay, so that is how most of the song goes. Now, when it comes to the bridge, D, I just had this. Yeah. Then you go back into the verse. Same things we had before. See? And then we're going to go to E. Dancing in the Dark. right, that's it for today. That was an arrangement of Dancing in the Dark by Bruce Springsteen, so you can kind of catch the melody notes as you play it. It's particularly awesome on an acoustic guitar. I appreciate this is not an acoustic guitar, but it does sound good on an acoustic guitar. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and click the bell for regular notifications of lessons on Tuesdays and Saturdays. And if you are so inclined, please do check out my Patreon page at patreon.com/Simon Morel, where you can find exclusive lessons and a whole bunch of other stuff. It would be great if you would be able to support the channel from only $3 a month. I will see you next time. Bye for now.